Yes, I can see a lot of wonderful messages coming up. Yes. How are you, students? How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Yes, okay. So thank you so much for your patience, students. We had some technical issues in the initial part. So that is why I was not able to get joined. And I can see a lot of students who are waiting for me. Hi Manoj Kumar. Hi Kedat Amit. Yes. How are you? I can see a lot of wonderful students coming up here, so you can share it with your friends too. Yes, Atul, I hope you're doing well today. Am I audible? Am I visible? Yes. Okay. Yes, Atul. Yes. King Kohli. How are you? I hope you're doing well today. Yes. Okay, great. Super. So everyone just give me a hi first. Just give me a hi. I'm extremely excited to get your answers here. So I hope everyone is able to recollect my name as well. Right? Yes. Kedat Ahmad. Hi. Yes, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well today. So I hope everyone is able to just recollect my name properly. Yes, Aishwarya. Yes. My name is Aishwarya. Yes. I can see wonderful sets of messages here. I'm happy to see your message, Manoj Kumar. It's not Manoj Kumar, it's Supriya, right? Yes. Atul, how are you? Okay. So I would like to tell you one more thing. Okay. So as you have a lot of friends in your school and in your nearby places, you can also share these particular links to them so they can also be interactive. They can also ask a lot of questions here. So you know that this is going to be a super simple session. Ask us anything, right? So it's a very simple and easy one. Okay. So you can also share these links with them so they can also get benefits out of these. So kindly request everyone to share these links with them and they can also get benefits out of these, and they can also just participate in the various sessions we conduct. And as you all know that we have some amazing sessions coming up, right? Yes. And last week we already covered a lot of Mendy quiz as well, right? We had a lot of quizzes in the last week. Yes, you're on time. Yes. And thank you so much for your patience too. And I hope my kids were so patiently waiting for me. And I'm extremely happy to see that. Okay. Yes. So let me introduce once again. Okay. So my name is Aishwarya. So I'm your science educator. So we have been taking classes for 6, 7 and 8. And you have been doing a lot of wonderful sessions with us. And we will be continuing with more and more upcoming sessions too. Ma'am, what is your biology field? Yes. So I was more into the detail. I will get into it. Okay, don't worry. So that you will get an idea how it got transformed. So my core subject is physics, but I studied biology as well. So I completed my diploma in Chinese medicine too. So that's my biology background. So I am basically into aeronautics. So physics is my primary subject. And as you all know that we are taking science classes from class 6 to 8. So we are concentrated more towards physics and biology. And we have Reena ma'am as well. So Reena ma'am is also taking care of science sessions. Okay, so I hope you're able to get my point right now. That's my biology field. Yes. Kedat Ahmad, I hope you're clear. Yes. Atul, Reena ma'am is here. So Reena ma'am is here. So she's also having a lot of wonderful sessions and these are waiting for you. Okay. So she is making up a lot of sessions for you. So in the upcoming days, you can expect these sessions and you can enjoy a lot. I'm having my dinner also and watching to you. Oh my God, that's so good. That's so good. Yes. And could you please let me know your favorite food items, students? So Manoj Kumar is having something special today. So could you please let me know what it is? Okay, I love biology and I have done 9th and 10th biology in 8th standard itself. Oh my God. So I think you are a brilliant one that you are able to complete all these portions in a single year itself. Right? Yes. And I kindly request everyone to just make sure that you are sending these links to your friends as well. Yes. Okay. So what is today's intention is nothing but ask us anything. Okay. As from the name itself, it's very much understandable that even if you want to know anything about us, you can ask us. Okay. Pizza. Okay. So, ma'am, it's roti, choka, baigan ki sabji. Okay. Okay. Baigan ki sabji. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. Great. Super. Yes. Meena also has joined. Meena is saying that I'm Amrita. Okay. Hi. How are you? I hope you're doing well today. So, Kate Ahmad is saying that biryani is liti choka. Okay. Okay. Atul. Yes. Biryani, ma'am. Okay. So, biryani is your favorite food, I guess, if I'm not wrong, right? There are a lot of biryani lovers here, right? आज पिज़्ज़ा खाओगे अतुल? Okay, so Manoj is asking a question here. मैम दूसरे फ़ोन से ज्वाइन किया है. Okay, सुप्रिया, then Manoj Kumar. Yes. So I have made a few questions for you basically. Okay, so just to make a good interaction with you all. Okay, so these are going to be very super simple questions. So you can also go through it and you can also get such amazing, viewpoints, and you will also improve your knowledge. At the same time, you can also be participating in these kind of sessions. That's what the intention of today's session. And we are going to have very, very simple and easy questions. Are you all off? Hi ma'am, today is my birthday, so please wish me name. Manvi. Yes. So happy birthday, Manvi. Okay. So I request everyone to wish her once, please. Please. Please, I kindly request everyone to wish her once. As it's her birthday, it's our, responsibility to wish her. And I'm extremely happy to see all of you are friends to her. So you can also wish her once. Please kindly request everyone. Ma'am, I said the food which I'm eating right now. Okay. Yes, ma'am, need educator. We will be coming up with more and more educators in the upcoming weeks. Okay. So don't worry at all. You can just be updated with their community post and shots. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Sandeep, Manoj Kumar. Yes, he's saying happy birthday. Happy birthday, Manvi from Pakistan. Kate Ahmad. Okay, great. Superb. Yes. So can we go for it? Can we start our question session? Meena, many returns of the day. Okay, so shall we start? Are you all ready? When is your birthday? Oh my god. So I will give you a small guess for you. Okay. So it's on April. It's not on April 1st. Okay, but it's on April. But it's a date between 20 and 30. So now it's your time to guess my birth date. Yes, let me know. So it's between 20th and 30th. Not 21st April. Oh, sorry. Not 29th. Not 29th too. Yes, I kindly request everyone to have a guess. 13th April, my birthday. Okay. 24? No. 23rd confirm? No way. Once again, I kindly request everyone to be literally participative. This is going to be a super simple interactive session. Okay. Not 25. Yes. Sandeep Vamshi. I think it's Manvi who answered right. It's 25th April. Okay. It's 25th April. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for the guess. Okay. Great. Super. Yes. So shall we start with our quiz session? Are you all ready? Just give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you're all ready. Okay. I got it. Yes. Start. Oh my god, Atul has posted almost all the dates from 21 to 30. 20, 21, 22, 23. Yes, ready. Okay. So these are going to be the chapters we have discussed earlier. So these are going to be simple sessions. Okay. These are going to be super simple questions. Are you all ready? Okay. My younger sister birthday is on April 16. Okay. April bonds. Okay. Okay. My god. World Malaria Day is on 25th of April. Okay. Thank you so much for the information. Okay. So shall we start with our quiz session? Are you all ready? Okay. So this is going to be a super simple one. Okay. There is a particular fossil fuel which can be formed from the decomposition of plant matter. So which is that? As we all know that what is meant by fossil fuel, right? So there is a particular fossil fuel in which it has formed basically due to the decomposition, okay, of plant matter. So which is that particular fossil fuel? A very simple easy question. Everybody can answer, okay? Let it be wrong, no issues at all. Let it be wrong, you can definitely try it out. I kindly request everyone to have an answer here. Kerat, Sandeep, Meena, there is a particular fuel, it is fuel. Okay, I will give you some options here, okay? Petroleum, okay, I will repeat the question, okay? There is a fossil fuel, okay, fossil fuel which can be formed due to the decomposition of plant matter. I will give you three options: petrol, diesel, coal. Petrol, diesel and coal. Okay, so slow process of dead tree convert into coal is called fossil fuel. Atul, there is a small correction in it. Okay, so the fossil fuel is nothing but a type of fuel that can be formed by taking a long time, and that's under certain conditions like high temperature, high pressure. All these conditions are very much required. Okay, so coal is the right answer, because coal is actually a fossil fuel formed from the decomposition of plant matter. Okay, it's not petrol and diesel. Okay, petrol and diesel are completely wrong, because these are formed from the decomposition of marine organisms. Okay, not from plants. Clear? It's not cool, it's coal. Okay, it's coal. Yes. Okay, there is nothing to worry. Even if it is wrong, no issues. Okay, we are here to correct you. Okay, even if you find any kind of mistakes, if you are making any kind of problems in between, no issues at all. Let's try to correct it. Ma'am, okay, your name. My name is Aishwarya. Okay, my name is Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran. That's my name. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So here is the next question, that it's a very, very simple one, okay? Which is the largest artery in our body? The largest artery in our body. Largest artery. Okay, I will give you two clues. Okay. So aorta and superior vena cava. There are two options. Okay, which is the largest artery in our body? Largest artery. Aorta or superior vena cava? Aorta, 100%. Okay, I can see a few messages here. Please do repeat it. The largest artery in our body. Mendiquist. Yes. We are coming up with more Mendiquist in the upcoming weeks. Yes. No, I am not a Tamil girl. Sorry, I am not from Tamil Nadu. I am from Kerala, but I do speak Tamil. I know Tamil, how to speak Tamil. Yes. Aorta. It's aorta. Okay, it's aorta. Answer is aorta. Okay, well done. Very good. Super. Okay, thank you so much. What about others? Is it right or not? Please let me know. Kerala, say hi, ma'am. Meena Srivastava. Yes, I am from Kerala, so I'm so happy to see my state name here. Those people who are mentioning it. Okay, great. Super. Yes. I pronounce as Oyota. Okay, it's not Oyota. It is Iota. Okay, it is Iota. Got it? Okay, great. So now we are moving towards the next one. Okay, so I have figured a few questions for you so that it can be made so easy for. So the next one is nothing but, okay, it is nothing but the laws of water vapor through stomata. Laws of water vapor through stomata. Laws of water vapor through stomata. There is a process. And this is a process. You can let me know which process in which the water vapor get lost through stomata. Ansuman, I'm not able to find who has just joined the session first. I'm so sorry. It's not transportation. Not transportation. So sorry. Everyone, please try. Please try it out. A very, very simple one. A very, very simple question. I will give you 2 clues. Okay, is it evaporation or transpiration? Okay. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, Soumya Shukla has joined. Manoj, very good. Nawab, okay, wonderful, wonderful. Ram Ram, okay, great. Yes, Rathe Rathe, okay, great, great. Okay, evaporation. It's not evaporation, it's transpiration. Okay, so loss of water vapor through stomata can be called it as transpiration. It's not evaporation. Got it? What is your question, ma'am? Okay, I was asking that there is a question that loss of water vapor through stomata can be called it as what? The process name. Transpiration. Okay, so don't worry, we are coming up with more questions right now so that you can also be engaged. Okay, got it? Okay, so here is the next question that, okay, so it's a very, very simple one. Okay, there is a particular kind of wax that will be produced when crude oil is refined. Which is that? A particular kind of wax will be produced when crude oil is refined. Which is that? Kedathermal, I will come to that point. Okay, petrol, a wax, it is a wax. I will give you 2 clues. Honey wax or paraffin wax? Honey wax or paraffin wax? Paraffin, paraffin. I can say hello. Hello, hi. Meena, Atul. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. It is paraffin. Okay, the answer is paraffin wax. Okay, paraffin wax is nothing but the one which is produced when crude oil is refined. Okay, not honey. No, that's not the case. Okay, so that is a different kind of wax. Got it? Yes. And here I got a statement that transpiration and evaporation are same. No. So transpiration is a process of, it is a kind of pull. Okay, this is kind of a pull which can happen in the plants, and therefore water vapor lost will be through stomata. But this is due to evaporation. Okay, evaporation is happening from outside. Okay, so evaporation is a different process. What is that? Evaporation is nothing but the process in which the tiny, tiny liquid droplets or liquids are getting converted into vapors. Okay, but that's not the case with transpiration. Transpiration is a loss. It is a loss of water vapor through stomata. So both are different processes. Okay, so the evaporation rate is high, transpiration also can be high, but both are different processes. Clear? I hope you are clear. Yes. So I kindly request everyone to send these links to your friends as well. Your friends are also waiting, right? So you can also send it to your friends. Okay, they can also be engaging. You can have a healthy competition between them. Soumya, you are so cute. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Yes. Okay, great. Super. Okay, so this is a very, very nice thing. Okay, you can also just share it with your friends. Okay, so they can also participate in these kind of sessions. So you can have a very friendly competition with them. Okay, very healthy competition. Okay, ma'am, I am the only one in Pakistan. Okay, so you're from Pakistan. I'm happy to see you here. So you can also share with your friends. You can also watch our videos, right? Meena, Sutupriya. Hi, Sutupriya. What is Sutupriya? Okay. So shall we move on to the next one? Are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to take the next question. Okay, so the main component of coal. Which is the main component of coal? I told you that how coal is formed, right? So what is the main component of coal? I will give you 3 clues again. Carbon, sulfur, potassium. Carbon, potassium, sulfur. Coal tar, no. Gamer, welcome to the session. Please, please, please let me know. Students, everybody, please have a healthy competition here. Carbon. Okay, everybody is saying it's carbon. Atul is saying carbon. Kedat Ahmed is saying carbon. Nawab, please answer. Carbon, sulfur or potassium? What is there in coal? Which is the main component of it? Yes, yes, yes. I kindly request everyone, please repeat the question. Okay, so the question is nothing but the main component of coal. What is the main component of coal? Okay, a lot of people who are saying that it's carbon. Vinish P has joined. Vinish, Menti, yes, we are coming up with more mentees next time. Don't worry. Okay, so we are coming up with more and more mentees in the upcoming weeks. So you can also be just excited for those sessions. Okay, Gamer is saying that it's carbon. Yes, it's right. It's carbon. It's not sulfur. It's not potassium. It's nothing but carbon. Carbon is the main component of coal. Got it? Okay, so shall we move on to the next one? Yes, this is a very simple question. Is crude oil and petroleum are same? Let me know. Is crude oil and petroleum same? Same or not? Anthracite, bituminous, luminate. Okay. I'm asking for whether they are same or not. Crude oil and petroleum. Are they same? Oh, you are Sutupriya. Okay, okay, okay. Anthracite, bituminous, that's a different types of coals. That's not the case here. I'm asking you a question that whether the crude oil and petroleum are same or not. No? Modi ji is saying hello. Hello Modi ji, how are you? Okay, I'm Supriya. Okay, it was written that Sutupriya. So that is why I told like that. Okay, Supriya. sorry for mispronouncing it. Okay, yes, no. So everybody is saying no. Is it so? No, crude oil and petroleum. Are they same? No. No, they are different. Study for NEET. Hey, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. Okay, great, superb. Please be participative. Okay, I was doing Batmashi. Okay. Okay, so shall we? Yes, it's right. Okay, both are same. Okay, it's no is right answer. Okay, no is right answer. Is it so? No way. Crude oil and petroleum both are same. Okay, so from now onwards you have to be very clear with it. Crude oil and petroleum both are same. It's not petroleum. Okay, crude oil and petroleum both are same. Got it? I'm good. Okay, so study for NEET. This is a place you can learn, you can emerge, you can utilize, you can develop yourself. Okay, so it's not about wasting your time. Yes. Everyone, kindly, please let me know. Yes, both are different. No, I have got an answer. Both are different. No, they are same. Okay, crude oil and petroleum both are same. Okay, ma'am, dinner completed. Okay, so he's saying that he completed his dinner. Okay, great, superb. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so we are moving towards the next question. So it's a very simple one. That what is the process of coal formation? There is a name for it. The name. The coal formation. I will give you two clues. Carbonization, qualification. Carbonization, qualification. So which is right? Coal formation. The formation of coal can be called it as. Please, carbonization or qualification? Yes, Atul is saying that carbonization. Manoj, today I didn't get many homework, so I'm free. Okay, very good. So you can also share it with your friends. Okay, so you got some free time, right? So you can definitely, send the links to them. They can also join. So let's have a healthy competition with them. Okay. Carbonization. It's not carbonization. It is qualification. Okay, the formation of coal can be called it as qualification. Okay, carbonization is different. Okay, so carbonization is different. Heating of coal can be called it as carbonization. Formation of call can be called it as qualification. Clear? Okay, great. Yes, and I kindly request everyone to maintain a decorum in the chat. Okay, so we can have a very healthy conversation here. Okay, very healthy interaction. Yes, so now I am going to ask you the next question. So, which transport water in plants? Which vascular tissue which transport water in plants? Xylem or phloem? Xylem or phloem? There are two vascular tissues in a plant, right? Okay, so you can let me know. Everyone. Okay, Indian guy is saying that I forgot your name. My name is Aishwarya. Xylem. Okay, Manoj is saying that xylem. Not Manoj, Supriya. Atul is saying that xylem. Yes. Okay. Is it xylem or phloem? Xylem or phloem? Xylem. I can see a lot of xylems here. Yes, it is right. It's xylem. Okay, it is xylem. Okay, yes. The vascular tissue which conducts water or transport water can be called it as xylem. It's not phloem, it is xylem. Okay, great. Super. Okay, so here is the next question. How many chambers are there in our heart? Our heart. How many chambers are there in our heart? I'll give you two options again. 3 or 4. Okay, Meena. Yes. Very good. 4. Okay, 4 chambers. Okay, people saying that there are 4 chambers. What are they? Right atria, left atria, right ventricle, left ventricle. These are the 4 chambers. Clear? There are 4 chambers. 4. Yes, it's 4. Yes, there are 4 chambers. Exactly. Right. Very good. Okay. And here is the next question. Pulmonary artery carries oxygenated or deoxygenated blood? Pulmonary artery carries oxygenated or deoxygenated blood. You have to pick one of them. Pulmonary artery. Let me know. Pulmonary artery carries oxygenated or deoxygenated blood. Please let me know. Okay, wonderful. Everyone, please answer. I'm not getting any answers. Pulmonary artery carries not oxygenated, deoxygenated blood. Okay, pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. Okay, you have to remember this, very important. Okay, so arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery always carries deoxygenated blood. Clear? Okay, so clear? Okay. Oh my god. Great. Nice manipulation. Okay. It's okay. Sometimes it is okay to be to make wrong answers too. Okay. So shall we move on? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay. So I'm asking you the next question. Okay. So what transport oxygen in human blood? What transports oxygen in our human blood? Please. Blood has a particular protein in which it carries oxygen. Not SST question. No. This is from bio. No. It starts with H. That's a clue for you. It starts with H. Letter H. Let me know. No. Something in the blood which carries oxygen. So who is that? Who carries the blood? Heart, not heart. It's not heart. Heart pumps blood. You need SST question. We are coming up with more and more in the upcoming parts. So don't worry at all. Hurt, hai. Not hurt. Not veins. Somebody carries oxygen in our blood, in the blood itself. There is a person in the blood itself who carries the oxygen. So who is that? Yes, Asrar. Hi. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Now you got it? Yes, let me know. Not artery. It starts with H. Letter H. H for horse. No, 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 no. It's not hurt. It is hemoglobin. Okay, the answer is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin which carries oxygen in the blood. Okay, got it? Any doubts? Oh my god. It's okay, it's okay. If it is wrong, it's okay. Okay, great. So shall we move on to the next one? CSK? Okay. Great. Okay, so shall we move on to the next question? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so I'm just going to take the next question. Okay, so this is a very, very simple one. So which joint is present in our neck? Which joint is present in our neck? In our neck. There's a particular type of joint which is present in the part of our neck. So which is that? Atul, Meena, everyone, I kindly request everyone to be interactive in the session. Thyroid gland? No, there is a particular type of joint. I'm talking about joint which is present in the neck portion. I will give you two clues. Okay, saddle joint or pivot joint. Saddle joint or pivot joint. Please understand. There is a particular type of joint present in the neck portion. Which is that? A joint present in the neck portion. So which is that? Pivot joint or saddle joint? Pivot joint or saddle joint? Okay. Larynx and pharynx? No, no, no. Joint, it's a type of joint. It's a type of joint present in our neck portion. So which is that? A very simple, very, very easy question. Pivot joint or saddle joint? It is pivot joint. Okay, so this is nothing but the pivot joint which is present in the neck. You can turn like this, like this and this. You can rotate your head, but you cannot turn your head 360 degree, right? It's pivot joint only. Got it? Okay. You cannot turn it to 360 degree. You can only just turn it to the sides, to the back and front, and also you can rotate it. That's it. So that's a pivot joint. Clear? It's not pivot, it's pivot. Okay, it's pivot joint. Yes, Soumya. Yes, Soumya. You're right. Ma'am, but Booth can turn it. Maybe. I'm scared of Booth, so I have no idea. Okay. So shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so there is a tissue which is present on your nose and ears. So which is the tissue there? Which is what type of tissue that is present on your nose and ears? Which is a bit flexible. So there is a name for it. What is it? That's the next question. A tissue which is present on your nose and on your ears. Tissue paper. No, it's not tissue paper. It's not. There is a name for it. You can just make your nose like this, right? It is very much flexible. So what is that? Okay, Atul is saying that it's cartilage. What about others? Everyone, please give your answers. Please give your answers here. Flexible tissue. Yes, it is a flexible connective tissue. So what is that? On your nose, on your ears. Cartilage. It's right. It's cartilage. Okay, very good, very good. It's not nasal. It's not puppy nose. Okay. Please give me a clue. It's cartilage. Meena, it's been answered. It's nothing but cartilage. Clear? Okay, so now we are moving towards the next question. A very, very simple one. Okay. So which is the locomotory organ of a snail? Snail, snail. Which is the locomotory organ of a snail? How does a snail move? Scales, not scales. It is snail, snail, snail. The one with the hard shell, outer skeleton. Yes, snail. Leg, not leg. What is the locomotory organ of a snail? It's not leg. This is something else. Very easy one. Very easy one. Not mucus. It can produce mucus. It can produce mucus, but it's not. Mucus is not the right answer. This is that is Kobara. No. Muscular foot. Okay, right, Somya. It is right. It's feet. Okay, muscular feet. Muscular feet is nothing but the answer which helps the locomotion of a snail. Yes, it is right. Very good. Okay, nice. Okay. So shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so very next question. Okay. My name is Amrita. Meena Srivastava. Yes, my name is Amrita. Okay. Because I can see a lot of messages here, right? So that is why I'm just making that particular name to be called out. Okay, so I will take care of it. Okay, sorry for mispronouncing it. Okay, Amrita. Okay, so shall we move on to the next one? But what is a muscular foot? Okay, so this is the snail. Okay, so on the bottom part of the snail, there is something called a muscular foot, which can cause a wave kind motion so that the snail can move from one portion to another. Got it? Clear? Yes, next question. Okay, so let me just check the next question. Okay. Okay, so the breakdown of food into nutrients can be called it as breakdown of food into simple nutrients can be called it as breakdown of nutrients to form simple components can be called it as okay, so there are two things we have to understand here. Okay, so the first thing is nothing but digestion. So digestion, what is digestion? It is a breakdown of food into simple components. Okay, that's the first thing. Second one, breakdown of nutrients. Breakdown of nutrients can be called it as respiration. Both are different. Okay, digestion and respiration, both are different. What I asked you in the first part is nothing but the breakdown of food. So breakdown of food into simple ones can be called it as digestion. Breakdown of nutrients can be called it as respiration. Clear? Difference between respiration and breathing. Yes, of course, I will let you know. So breathing is a simple activity. What is that? Breathing in the oxygen and breathing out the carbon dioxide. Okay, that's nothing but the breathing process. Intake of oxygen, release of carbon dioxide. Okay, so you will get oxygen through breathing. So this oxygen is important for the breakdown of nutrients. Okay, whatever the food that you eat, it has nutrients. So these nutrients have to undergo breakdown. So for that breakdown, the oxygen is required. So this can be called it as respiration. So respiration is a breakdown of nutrients in the presence of oxygen. And this is happening in the cells. Clear? Yes, sweetie, right question. Okay. Got it? I hope you're clear, Amrita. Yes, Soumya. Inhale and exhale. Yes, exactly. Yes, Amrita. Yes. Isha Chaudhary is asking, can you explain about bones? Yes, of course I can explain. Yes, so bones are nothing but hard structures which can give us shape. Okay, for example, if your body needs to have a shape, bones must be there. Bones join together to form the skeleton so that we have a shape. Got it? So we have different types of bones in our body. So bones join together to form joints. We have to understand that bones join together to form joints. So in our body there are various joints. Clear? So bones and muscles work together to make the movement possible. Clear? Nawab, I kindly request you to maintain a decorum in the chat box. Okay, so I hope you're clear. I hope you're clear, Isha. Isha, bones are nothing but hard structures in our body which gives us a shape. Okay, bones join together to form joints. Okay, bones join together to form joints. So these joints along with the muscles help us in movement. Clear? Rahul, yes. Rahul, yes, I am Rahul. Okay, okay. Hi. Okay. So welcome to the session. So please be participative. Okay, Shah. Okay, great. Super. So shall we move on to the next question? A very, very simple one. Shall we move on to the next one? Next question. Are you all ready? Shall we move on? Okay. Okay, okay. So shall we move on to the next one? Can we move forward? Can we move forward? Okay, great. So here's the next question. Okay. So there is a particular liquid. Okay, very, very simple one. There is a particular black liquid which will be formed out of carbonization. Which is that? A dark black liquid that will be formed out of carbonization can be called it as. I'll give you two clues. Coal tar or coal gas. Coal tar or coal gas. Okay, I can see coal tar. It's coal tar. Okay, the right answer is coal tar. Okay, it is coal tar only. Okay, thank you so much for the answer. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so what kind of object a moon is? Moon. Luminous body or a non-luminous body? Moon. Is moon a luminous body or a non-luminous body? Very simple one, very easy question. Luminous or non-luminous? Moon. Chanda mama. Luminous or non-luminous? Moon doesn't have its own light. Okay, so it is known as a non-luminous body. Okay, it's not luminous. It is non-luminous. And I have posted a question in the community part and a lot of you got wrong. Okay, so that is why I thought of just asking the same question here. Is frosted glass a transparent, a translucent or an opaque object? Please. Please. Is frosted glass a transparent or translucent or an opaque object? Frosted glass. I'm not talking about plain glass. I'm talking about frosted glass. Frosted glass is translucent. Okay, so a lot of you got wrong, so that is why I pointed out this question here. It is a translucent one. Okay, it can only make light to pass through it partially, so it is a translucent one. Frosted glass. What about butter paper? What about butter paper? Butter paper is translucent or transparent? Yes, it is. Butter paper is also translucent. Very good. It's not opaque, it is translucent. Okay, it is also translucent. Butter paper is also a translucent one. Clear? Shall we move on? Shreya. Okay, thank you so much. Amrita, thank you so much. Manoj, Atul. Yes. Shall we move on? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, translucent. Wonderful. Very good. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, if the light falls on a surface, okay, if a light falls on a surface, that point has a very specific name. The point where the incident ray hits. What is that? The place where the light hits. The incident hits. The point has a very specific name. Shadow? No. Nayasa, hi Nayasa. Screen, not screen. It is point of incidence. Very good, Nayasa. Very good. It is right. It's nothing but point of incidence. Okay. So koi baat nahi hai. I'm happy to learn bhaiya, even if I gave wrong answer. Okay. That's so good. It's a good spirit. Okay. That's so good. Great. Okay. So the answer is point of incidence. I got a question from Misha to explain the structure of bones. See, when you talk about bones, okay, we have to simplify about joints. Okay, the same detailed session has been posted on our channel itself. You can go through it. For now, I will give you a brief introduction about it. Okay, so bonds join together to form joints. Okay, bonds join together to form joints. Okay, we have different types of joints in our body, starting from pivot joint, then saddle joint. Okay, we have ball and socket joint. These are the different types of joints that are present in our body itself. Got it? Okay. I hope you're clear. So pivot joint is present in your neck. You can just make these kind of movements because of the pivot joint present in your neck. Got it? And we have ball and socket joint on your shoulders. Okay, because you can rotate your hands like this. Okay, this is because of the ball and socket joint. Clear? There is a fixed joint that is based on your skull. Okay, and it's not movable. That is what the reason we call it as an immovable joint. Clear? Ma'am, can you please make a separate video on the different kinds of joints? Sure. I can definitely make it up. Don't worry. Okay, I will definitely make a separate video for that. Okay. Ma'am, can you please let me know the main purpose of education? Yes. So the main purpose of education is nothing but to grow and develop. Okay. Your personality has to be developed. Your behavior has to be developed. Okay. You have to grow really well. You have to know, you have to understand how the education has to be implemented, how to grow, how to behave with others, okay, how to be polite, how to be kind. Okay, so that's what the main intention of education. Okay, how to be a good human being. Got it? I hope you're clear, Luminova. Yes. Okay, so that's what the main intention of education, to grow better, to learn better. It's not about textbooks, it's not about the exams that you write, it's about self-learning, it's all about self-improvement, self-development, personality improvement, all of these. Okay. Yes. Ma'am, dinner time. I have done with my dinner already. Okay, so you can also have your dinner. Okay, always make sure that you are trying to you try to complete your meals or dinner before 7. That's the most healthy time. Okay, yeah, I got it. That is why I told you you can have your dinner, but you can just present in the class as well. Okay, yes. So shall we move on to the next one? Next question, Gaurav. Okay, yes. So here is the next question, very simple one. Okay, so there is another name for fixed joint. What is that? A different name of fixed joint. Shubham, hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So let me know, there is a different name for your fixed joint. What is that? Soumya, we have a few more questions. Around 10 questions are waiting for us. Okay. Ma'am, इस chapter में बहुत ज़्यादा confusion होता है. Please take one shot of this chapter. Amrita, which chapter? Joints? Are you talking about joints? Nayasa, thank you so much for the answer. Nahi pata. Okay. So fixed joint can also be called it as immovable joint. You cannot move it, right? You can only move the lower joint. Look at it. You can only move the lower jaw part. You cannot move this part. You cannot move this part. Right? So it is immovable. Got it? Clear? Joints. Okay. So Amrita, I hope you need to get a one-shot session on joints. Right? Okay, great. I will definitely add a separate part for it. No issues. Okay, you can have a look into it. Okay? Yes. Okay. what I have to do with my fear of JEE means, like मेरा mock test है 250 260 आ रहा है, but मुझे डर लगा रहा है. See, the first thing that you have to understand that it's nothing but you need to just make sure that the things are going well mentally and physically. Okay, you need to prepare really well. Okay, that's what the very first thing that you need to do. Okay, so you have to be very, very clear. You have to be very, very understandable with the thoughts, and you need to understand it's just going to be an exam, so I need to give my 100%. So for that you need to prepare really well. You need to eat nutritious food. Don't take tension. Okay, don't take a lot of nervousness into your mind. Just feel free. Okay, try to segregate your portions really well. Try to be very, very kind. Try to take your your time very, very consciously. Spend good time with your friends, family. Everything has to be balanced. Okay, and once you are prepared really well, automatically the fear goes out. Okay, that's the main thing. So preparation part is very important. Okay, so we will be posting a basic exam prep tip session on the upcoming part. Okay, so you can just go through it. Luminova. Yes, I can see that nobody. Amrita, when you can show. See, I will try to post this video within this week itself. Okay, so you can check it in the known in the part that I will be putting this particular video, and so that you can go through it. Okay, within this week, within this Sunday, I will try to put the video. Okay, I will put this video right before this week itself. Got it? Oh, thoda sa jaldi le aana. Okay, so I hope. Okay, everybody is so hungry, I guess. Everybody is so hungry, right? So I will just ask the questions one by one, so fast. Okay, very, very simple ones. Okay, yes. So yeah. So what is the result of photosynthesis? Oxygen or carbon dioxide? Very simple one. What is the result? Result of carbon dioxide or oxygen? It is oxygen. Okay, the result of photosynthesis is oxygen. Very good. Okay, it's not carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide will be taken in. Oxygen will be released out. Okay, so the result of photosynthesis is oxygen only. Got it? I'm thirsty. You can drink some water. Ma'am, can you make tomorrow? I'm not sure whether I will be able to post it completely or by tomorrow, but I will make sure that this will be posted in this week itself. Okay? Okay, so here is the next question. Very, very simple one. Okay, what is the result of respiration? What is the result of respiration? Carbon dioxide or oxygen? Carbon dioxide or oxygen? Result of respiration. I will make it fast, okay, so that you can have your dinner. No issues. Carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide result of respiration. Okay, great. Superb. Nice. Wonderful. Carbon dioxide. Wonderful. Very good. Okay, so can I ask you the next question? Okay, who is the soldier of our body? RBC or WBC? RBC or WBC? Who is the soldier of our body? Soldier who can just fight against the germs and foreign bodies? WBC. Okay, great. It is white blood cell. Very good, white blood cell. Okay, so here is the next question. Wonderful, very good. WBC is the answer, white blood cell. Okay, so here is the next question. Fourth question. Who is responsible for blood clot? Who is responsible for? Which part of the blood is responsible for blood clot? Which component of blood is responsible for blood clot? Ma'am, can you please explain WBC? I will explain. Platelets. Wonderful. Yes, the answer is platelet. Okay, so platelet is nothing but the component of a blood which is responsible for blood clot. So WBC is nothing but white blood cell or white blood corpuscles. Okay, so these are responsible for fighting against the germs. If somebody enters into our body, or if there is someone who is going to attack our body, there must be one who try to attack or who try to just fight against them, right? So these are nothing but the WBCs are. Okay, we have different types in our body, so we have commonly called it as WBC, white blood corpuscles. Got it? Clear? Okay, so what is the fluid component of our blood can be called it as? That's the next question. Fluid component of blood. Which is a fluid component of the blood? Very, very simple one. Fluid component of the blood. Plasma or platelets? Plasma. Okay, wonderful. Plasma. Very good. Plasma is the right answer. Okay, very good. Plasma is the right answer. Okay, very good, students. Very good. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Great. So, shall we move on to the next question? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so which joint is present in your shoulders? Which joint is present in your shoulders? Ball and socket joint or pivot joint? Ball and socket joint or pivot joint? Yes, Amrita, Soumya, Manoj. Yes, it is nothing but ball and socket. See, I can rotate my hands. Okay, it's like that. Okay, there is a ball and there is a socket. You can rotate around it, right? It can rotate right inside it. This is the way this particular joint has been made. You can rotate it. So this is ball and socket joint. Clear? Okay, so I hope you're clear. Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so can we move, okay, can we move or fix a joint? Can we move or fix a joint or not? Can we move or fix a joint or not? Immovable or movable? Fix a joint. Immovable. Very good, very good, very good. It's immovable in nature. Very good, very good, very good. Shall we move on to the next one? We cannot move. Fix a joint cannot be moved. Okay, we can only move the lower jaw. Look at it. I can only move the lower jaw part. I cannot move any other parts. That is why it is called immovable joint. Okay, you didn't understand the question. Okay, so I was asking whether the fixed joints are movable or not. Okay, it is immovable. Clear? Because it is fixed. Yes, only the lower jaw can be moved. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Right. Okay, so here is the next question. Okay, very simple one. Otherwise, we will be a ghost if you are able to move it. My God. Okay. I'm not sure about the ghost. Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. So along with the bone, somebody has to work to make the movement possible. Along with the bones, somebody has to work to make the movement possible. So who is that? Muscles. Okay, okay, okay. Not cartilage, it's muscle. Okay, muscle and bones. Both of them work together to make the movement possible. Okay. Don't you believe in ghosts? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm literally scared. Okay, great. Super. So we are moving towards the last question. Shall we move on? Shall we move on to the last question? Are you all ready? Okay, so which blood is being circulated in our towards our body parts? Towards our body parts. Which blood is being circulated towards our body parts? Please let me know. Oxygenated or deoxygenated blood, which is being transported to all other parts of our body? That's the question. Oxygenated or deoxygenated? Okay, oxygenated blood. Wonderful. So oxygenated blood has to be transported to all the parts of our body, right?